Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? This is live price prediction of Cardano. You watching Abby's technical channel. Please click out the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest update. I updating you every single day. So this is a good share for you if you are Cardano holder. If you are any cryptocurrency holder, I updating you any cryptocurrencies. So let's see, this is the last 1 hour result. If we can check it out, the last current 1 day, you can check out the current price of one Cardano coin as 1.19 US dollar. Absolutely good price, you can see here. But if we can see here, the change of Cardano is absolutely good. You can see here, this is the 24-hour change as 0.39% absolutely gone up. So this is absolutely good. So you can check here, the volume of Cardano is absolutely goes up. So this is 3.10 billion US dollar. Absolutely good. So you can see here and make sure this the market price is here 38.03 billion. Absolutely gone good. So let's see here in the graph. Come to the graph, you can see here, this is the last 1 day graph. You can see here, let's see the graph result. You can see here, this is absolutely sometimes they can start jumping, but sometimes they can start dumping. You can see here, this is absolutely a good jump. So that then again they can start dumping, a small dump. This is small dump and this is small jump, you can see here. But they can again a very bad dump. You can see here, this is very high dump. So then again they can take a smart jump, and again they can take a jump or dump. So you can see here, they can sometimes they can big jump, but sometimes they can take a big dump. So I think the Cardano is going up, and I think this is just buying time, because if you focus in the graph result, as sometime you can see here, you can check here, as this time the last 1 hour result, you can see here, this is just selling time, you can see here. But you can see, if we can check it out, the last 1 month result, let's see the last 1 month result, then you can see, yeah, this is, you can see here the big jump, absolutely big jump. You can see here, if we can check it out this time, the you can see here the big jump as very high, you can see here. So this is the very good profit. So if you this time just buy it, this is absolutely good. So buy Cardano coin, because this is good time for earning. So just buy it, no sell. Okay, don't sell any Cardano coin, because they are going upward, they are going up. So this is good time. So what's your suggestion, what's your opinion? If you are Cardano holder, then please share your opinion in a comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for any latest good news or bad news. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.